Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy fish taco with avocado salsa. Yummy. I love anything with avocado, and I'm using cod, which is my favorite whitefish. About an hour ago, I started marinating my cod. So 2 8-ounce fillets. In here, I have some olive oil, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some liquid amino acids. I also put some smoked paprika. Now I'm gonna put it onto a pan, 400 degrees, bake it for 10 minutes, and put that off to the side. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So I don't wanna cook it in the marinade. I just wanted it to have those flavors. So now we're just gonna transfer it very gently because this fish is delicate. So now I'm gonna throw this in the oven. Another thing we're gonna put in this recipe, pickled red cabbage. So we'll circle back to you. Let's make some avocado salsa. So if you're not super comfortable, do this down on a cutting board. But because I've done this so many times, I'm very comfortable. So we're gonna cut this up into little cubes. Scoop it out into the bowl. This recipe is so easy and it's so fresh and delicious. So to get the pit, gentle, turn, out comes the pit. So to this, we're gonna add lime juice, salt, pepper, cilantro, a little bit of tomato, and garlic. Let's add some garlic. It's basically like you're making guacamole, but you're just not mashing it. You're gonna kind of keep it in these cubes. Let's do the garlic next. I like using a microplane. I just love fish tacos because it screams like summer to me. It's so fresh and light and healthy. And then for the tomato, I always like to take the seeds out. Now I'm just gonna dice this up nice and small. So I'm gonna get them all prepped, but I'm gonna add them last. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of red onion. I don't like a lot because the garlic already makes it a little zingy. And this you wanna cut up pretty small. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use like half of this. And now we're gonna add in our tomato. And then gently mix it, and then this is done. Okay, great. Let's assemble our beautiful tacos. So, corn tortilla, the pickled red cabbage at the bottom. Then we're gonna top it with a piece of our fish. Let's do some feta cheese, and then we're gonna do our avocado salsa, some lime juice, and cilantro. Okay. Fish tacos, hearty and healthy. 2 words I love together. Okay, let's try it. The pickled cabbage under there is so beautiful. Creamy avocado, beautiful healthy fish. Wow, guys, that's wonderful. Oh, I wish I could give this to you. This is so good.